Okay, hi Where Will We Go family. So it is officially King's Day in the Netherlands. I am currently kind of late, well, because it's like 4:30, but I did not know that people go to Amsterdam this early. So yesterday was King's Night. Everyone that I met yesterday said that you definitely have to go to Amsterdam tomorrow. So I'm on my way to Amsterdam. I'm actually hot, but we're gonna see what they have going on, and we're just gonna go see what everybody's doing, explore the street festivals, maybe go to a few after parties. But welcome to King's Day in the Netherlands. A little background. So years ago, King's Day started as Princess Day. When the previous queen was born, it was to celebrate her birthday, and then it turned into Queen's Day when she became queen. And after she stepped down and her son William became king of the Netherlands, then they now consider King's Day. Today is actually his birthday, the 27th. In some places you can see him on the canals on a boat because he comes out to celebrate with his people, and I think that is pretty cool. But let's go into the city, check out some stuff. I wanted to get some tapas. I'm gonna put the name on the screen because I don't think I'm saying that right, but it's like a traditional thing that people eat today to celebrate. But when I went to the supermarket, they didn't have any, so we're just gonna do what everyone is doing, which is drink and party. I finally made it to Amsterdam Central, and admittedly, this is where way more people than I expected. Like an overwhelming amount of people, and I don't actually have plans. Like I don't actually know where I'm going, so I'm just gonna follow the crowd, which everyone is going that way. And there's a guy telling you guys hi, right? But everyone is going to my left, so I'm going to my left to see what they got going on. But let me just show you guys what I'm dealing with. Okay, just sometimes, following the crowd. I know my parents would be like, my parents are lecturing a teenage me, but following the crowd is absolutely worth it sometimes, because this street that I'm on, that I followed everyone to, 10 out of 10, they lit as hell on here. So let's go see what everybody got going on and maybe get a drink, because I'm probably the only person on the street who isn't drinking. I had to put away the big camera because the crowd is crazy, and I feel nervous that some shit is gonna break. But for the sake of this vlog, y'all can't say I've never given you nothing. Because for the sake of this vlog, I am leaving the first ever soca stage I've encountered in the Netherlands in 6 months.
Here's the best burger, Amsterdam. Here, come.
What are we doing?
Yeah.
Chicken Bella, okay.
And you have the burger here, chicken burger. Excellent.
This is really nice.
Yeah, I tell you, chicken burger, €8. This 11 here, we make €8 for you.
Yeah, guys, let me show you where I am. Right, hold on. Okay, so here you have a King's Challenge, where if you hang on these bars for 100 seconds, you win $100. Your girl can't do that, so I'm gonna keep walking. So I am currently in Raccoon Square, and I was actually heading to Rembrandt Square because I feel like in Amsterdam there's always something going on in Rembrandt. But in front of me, the stage at Raccoon seems very lively. So it's like, do I dilly or do I keep going to Rembrandt and dally? Because I could hear the music from Rembrandt in the distance, and it's giving
I'm sorry, I just almost hit someone with the camera, but it's giving, you know, but in front of me sound more techno. So do I dilly or do I dally or do I dilly and I dally? I don't know, guys. Maybe we dally. Today I haven't really been doing tips that I recommend for King's Day, King's Night, nothing like that. But I think my number one tip is probably always keeping cash for the bathroom. I'm yet to find a bathroom that isn't like $2, $2.50, you know, something like that. Or, oh my friggin' God, keep cash for the bathroom, guys. Test. How is my light? How is my audio? It is the end of King's Day, and as you can see, it's dark as outside. It's actually about 10 p.m. So, due to regulations, all of the street parties are now closed, right? All of the street parties are now closed. There's no more street music. So, all of the parties have moved inside. So I did go to like a little inside party, but I decided that, you know what, I live a city over, so I'm just gonna take my time and walk to Central Station. It's a ridiculous walk, so while I walk, let's yap about King's Day. So King's Day in the Netherlands, honestly, it's a lot like Carnival, but less organized. I'm sorry if I look like I'm looking all over the place. I do have to look at where I'm walking. So yeah, less organized in the sense that with Carnival, it's just like one route, one set of music, one set of bands. You know what's going on. With King's Day, it is a lot of, oh my God. Yeah, with King's Day now, it's a lot of different stages, different DJs playing music. And from my understanding, they did regulate it a little bit this year. Like there was a rule about the boats and how many people can be on a boat, which understandable. From what I've seen today, they need that, right? So yeah, I understand that. Understandable. So thoughts. If you are ever in Europe and in the Netherlands for tulip season, I would say maybe plan your time closer to King's Day because it is worth the experience, right? 10 out of 10 experience. Seeing an entire country turn into a block party, 10 out of 10, no notes, right? Like literally no notes. So it is worth the experience. Don't be like me and come out late. I did not get on the road until about 4 o'clock. So go outside a little earlier. Plan your routes. Thank you. Yeah, so plan your routes, 100% plan your routes. Like think about what stages you want to check out. I'm pretty sure just like Utrecht, there's a website, but I didn't have that website beforehand. So yeah, plan your routes, what stages you want to see, what DJs you want to hear. Hi. What stages you want to see, what DJs you want to hear, plan your routes. Bathroom stops 100% because it was the bane of my existence today. I do like that you could just like buy your own alcohol, so you could buy a bottle or buy some stuff, some hard liquor, and you walk around with that, so you don't have to like buy like overpriced drinks, right? So 10 out of 10 for that, which is what I did. So I just came outside today with like a bottle of limoncello. Pick up the Italians for the limoncello, a bottle of limoncello, some stouts, you know, and a water because drink responsibly. So yeah, so that, I think that's pretty great. Hi guys.
Hello,
Sorry.
I want to vlog as well.
You want to vlog as well?
What's
Hi.
up, guys? Represent from Amsterdam. You
Yeah.
know the thing.
Who?
Is it hard?
Yeah.
But when they are drunk, it's fine,
We
right?
were just
Yeah.
joining you. You were joining us. We were joining you.
Okay, so now you're joining me, but earlier I felt like it was
do you know
hard.
each other?
No, I was just vlogging and he walked fast and stopped.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not really that hard to join.
Of course.
Yeah.
I could
But
chuck
we
this
have
here.
to play rock, paper, scissors.
Uh-huh.
If you win, you have to chuck it.
Yeah.
Or
And otherwise, if you win, you
if I
chuck
win,
And
I have
if you
to
win,
chuck
you
it.
chuck it. Okay.
So we win for the chuck.
Hold on, rule. So does paper beat rock in this? Because
You
I
know rock,
It's
paper,
physical,
scissors.
but
yeah,
scissors.
but I
Rock,
know
paper,
people.
scissors,
It's
do
Yeah.
one time.
Okay.
Only the
Okay,
first
hold the
try.
trophy. Hold the trophy.
Hold the trophy. You can hold the
Okay,
mic as well. Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Here we go.
We're ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors. No.
No,
Oh!
it's
Okay,
Okay, so
rock.
it's on three.
On
Okay.
Rock,
the-
no.
We
Rock,
usually
paper,
play-
scissors, shoot.
So we usually
We do
play
things
rock and then
different
we shoot.
around.
No,
Okay,
rock,
okay,
paper,
okay.
scissors,
Three times.
shoot.
I first
Alright.
call all the options.
Exactly.
Yeah, and then you
Then
shoot.
you do it.
Got
Then
you.
we shoot.
Yeah.
All right, got you.
Rock,
Paper, scissors,
scissors.
shoot. Oh, you won, so you have to chuck it. No, he won. Yeah, so
I
he has
won.
to chuck it.
Yeah, so he gets to check it.
He gotta chuck it. Like the loser has to chuck, right?
No.
No.
No, the
The
winner
winner.
chugs. The winner
The
chugs.
winner. But I understand that it's so hard to meet Dutch people. It's
Yeah.
not really that hard.
Honestly, like before today,
Oh,
it
but
was
let's
a little hard, but
let's
let him
have a
chug,
moment
chug,
of silence.
Chug, chug.
So
Oh,
the
doing
baby
good,
will not be
doing
happy
Oh my
tonight.
god, I can't believe he's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing it.
I'm doing good, bro.
Oh!
Little bit.
Okay, thank you very much. I have to
Thank
go. Have a
you.
great evening, you know?
Same to you. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, so that was amazing. What's funny about my encounter? I was just about to say that
What's your name on the...
where will we go?
Where will we go?
Yeah. So it's Will with
YouTube
one
and
L.
Twitch.
Yeah.
Where will we go?
Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you.
Where will we go? So I was just about to say that one of the things that I find is that I don't know, it's because Dutch people are so reserved, so very all about like their process, they're kind of hard to connect to, but they love a good dilly, just like how I love a good dally. So together when we drink, 10 out of 10. So when you do that, right? So when you have a good dilly dally with them, they really are great people. They really are my kind of people in everyday life. Very efficient, but like on, you know, when it's time for fun, it's time for fun. They do know time and place. So I really do like that. So if you are ever looking for like a worldwide stage, it's giving, hi guys. You know, it's giving Brazil in New Year's, but for the king's birthday. So if you are ever in Europe, if you can ever come to this country for tulip season, I definitely 100% recommend King's Day. I don't think I have anything else to say about it. I just want to say that thank you for sticking with Where Will We Go. Thank you for being so patient with us. I love you guys so much. See you on the next episode of Where Will We Go? I love you guys. Wait.